Shopping with Amway has become a more enjoyable and empowering experience. It's now a purely online process with various digital payment options to choose from. It also introduces the extra cart for ABOs. Promotions are easy to access, and real-time stock availability ensures that you never order an out-of-stock item. You can initiate and manage your return online in a paperless returns process. You can also choose to replace the item you're returning. So let's begin. Once you've signed in, there are various ways to add products to your cart: using the search bar, browsing the catalog, or via your shopping cart. You can use the search bar to find a specific product using either its name or product number. You can use the menu to view the different categories and browse the various product ranges. To add a product to your cart, click Add to Cart. If you are a customer, the item will now be added to your personal shopping cart. If you are an ABO, you now will need to select which shopping cart you would like to add your products to. If you're not sure, don't worry. I will explain how the different carts work in a moment. If you want to save a product for a future purchase, you can add it to a wish list. The third way you can add products is through your shopping cart. Either use the shopping cart search bar to look for products, or press this button to access the quick order form and add a product using its product number. These three buttons offer different options. You can either share the product with others, add it to your wish list, or delete it from the shopping cart. Now I'll take you through the different shopping carts. Only Amway business owners have two carts: the personal cart and the extra cart. The personal cart includes PV and the discounted rate for products. Orders placed via the personal cart are for the ABO's personal use and product demonstrations only. The extra cart is used by ABOs to place orders for customers who are not able or ready to shop online. It applies the full retail price for purchases. You have to click here to activate it. Please note, there are specific terms of use for the extra cart that you will find here. Make sure to read them before activating the extra cart. Before placing an order via the extra cart, download the order form. Print it and fill in the products the customer wants to order. Once the order is delivered, the customer should sign the order form to confirm receipt of the products. If you select an item that is on promotion, the promotion price is automatically applied to your order total, and you can see the details of your saving in the Promotions Applied section. Check your order. If it is correct, click Checkout. Confirm your delivery address. Please note that you can only use one delivery address per order, even if you are using more than one shopping cart for that order. You can also enter a new address. In the next step, you can choose your delivery options. Add an email and telephone number in case the courier needs to contact you regarding the delivery. Now, select your method of payment. Finally, you can review your order. If anything needs to be changed, you can edit the products in your cart or the delivery or payment information. Depending on your chosen payment method, you may need to verify your transaction. Once your payment has been verified, you will see a confirmation of the order and receive the confirmation via email. That is how you place an order with Amway. Want to view current and past purchases or access your invoices? Go to My Office, click Order History and Account Orders History. Here you will find a list of all the purchases made from your account and their status. If you click Details, you will see more information about all your orders, including the tracking URL, so that you can follow its delivery. If you scroll down, you can access your invoice or packaging list via the Invoice button. This will be available for all of your orders. You can also initiate a return if you need to send back one or more items to Amway. Scrolling through your order details, you will see various options depending on the status of your order. As you want to make a return, click Return. Select the item that you would like to return and the reason for returning it. Click Continue. You now see the items that you have selected to return, as well as instructions detailing how to send them back. You have the option of having the items replaced or receiving a refund. If you select to replace an item, it can only be replaced with the same product as the one you are returning. Read and accept the returns policy. If you want to learn more, click on the link. Otherwise, click Place Return. A screen with a confirmation of the return appears, and you will receive an email with further instructions. Once Amway has processed your return, you will receive your refund or your replacement product. That's it. Enjoy shopping on our streamlined, user-friendly new website.